Hey guys, what's goody? It's Tree and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve flawless makeup in the summertime even with oily skin. So I already got my eyebrows and my eye makeup done, so now we're going to jump right in. I'm taking my E.L.F. HD translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder as long as it's translucent. I'm going to dip a brush in it and lightly dust it all over my face, making sure to cover everywhere that's going to have some type of makeup on it. And then I'm going to also take a sponge and pack some more translucent powder in places where I would get creasing. This step acts as a barrier between your makeup and your skin, and it makes it a little more difficult for your natural skin oils to seep through the makeup quicker, and it makes your makeup last longer. Ever since I've been doing this, my makeup has been lasting a whole lot longer and it does not look as greasy. Now step 2 of this process is to apply your foundation as normal. I'm using Covergirl's Trublend in the shade D2 and it matches my skin so well. Now you just apply your makeup like usual, and here I'm taking the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes, my nose, chin, forehead, you know, all the good stuff. Y'all, that one eyelash is bothering me, and you know which one I'm talking about. I don't know why one of my eyelashes, but it be the same eye and the same eyelash. I'm convinced my eyes are not symmetrical, and that's the reason why one of them be looking like whatever. But you know, It's okay because I'm still cute, period. For bronzer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Coloricon bronzer in the shade Shady Beaches, I think it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna use my Instapop cheek brush, however you say it, from Real Techniques to apply my bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera, but I will be back when I'm done to show y'all the final product. And you know, we're gonna get into all this matte goodness because oily girls can have matte skin too. That's the movement, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.